Hey everybody, Thursday morning, June 29th. Here's a look at the Astro Excel. What we've got going this week on this chart, we had our predicted low on the 26th, and then we've been following that with the Astro Excel. We had to down move into the low. The Astro Excel pointed up for most of the week until right now. Today we're returning flat. We just had this new high come in off the report, a little upward surge off the economic report that came out at 8:30. And then you can see how I've marked some of the blue line spikes and how the market pivots on the Astro Excel. Blue line spikes, particularly when we get outside the 10 lines, it gives pretty good indications. So the rest of the day today now looks fairly flat. We are in this uptrend. Had a next pivot date of the 30th. That's going to be tomorrow, so we're going to probably look to expect a high today or on Monday. I'm going to have to go back and do the swing pivot workout for July, and I'll bring that out and post that next week.